What's shaking, guys? How's it going? Today is going to get something to go and get something type of day. I just picked up the first thing, which is a trailer. I don't know if you can see it in the back there. It's a shitty old cargo trailer, but I want to try to convert it, make it a little bit pretty, make it into a hauler slash camper. And the second thing we're going to get is just a little ways away. So I'll probably show you the trailer, which I'm going to probably do some kind of I'll probably do a little video series on the trailer, converting it into like a camper slash, crap hauler. But I'm also going to show you what I'm going to pick up in like 2 seconds. We're just down here, taking a peek at it. This is the machine we're picking up. 100% we're grabbing it. We just had it running. Holy oh shit. It needs a battery. Typical thing to do. But yeah, trim doesn't work. Whatever, who cares? Yeah, so battery, yeah, we just had it running. It sounds freaking mint. It's a good size. A little bit of a cleanup. Good to go, man. It's actually pretty good shape to begin with. I think someone already painted it by the looks of it. Yeah, whatever. For what I'm paying, I'm not going to complain. That's awesome. All right, so let's we're just waiting for him to find the key. How's that for a nice tight fit? So there, this is the trailer. The whole plan with this: fill all these with insulation, recover the walls, probably cover that with some insulation and cover that as well. But yeah, this is going to be my crap hauler slash camper. And this is going to be my girlfriend's machine. Look at that, eh? It's right to the back and right to there. Couldn't have asked for a tighter fit. Well, you could have, but you know what I mean. Oh, yeah. I lost a friggin' lens on the way down. Just my luck, eh? We're back in North Bay. Gonna have some Burger King. Not a bad little trailer, eh? Look at that machine. Big old SL750. Although those numbers, I think we might redo those and put them right there. Here's the Watercraft, yeah, that we got yesterday. Check this out. If you take a peek here, see all this? See how white all that is there? If you don't want to get rid of or buy a new bumper, just use a friggin' heat gun and just like here. Watch this. Let's get this baby going. Ooh, that's warm. Okay, now this. Watch how fast this change. I should have had it hot first. Ooh, let's get hot. There you go. Now watch this. Watch it change. Look at that. Why put a new bumper on when they get old? And you can do that. You know what I mean? Look how friggin' awesome that is. Look at that. Brand new. What's up, Donnie?
Yo.
All right, so we just put a battery in, got everything all tightened in. I could use another one of these straps, but I'll get that before it hits the water. But I just found the coolest thing on this. Okay, I don't know if you're watching this video, odds are, well, maybe you might know these machines. It's bad for blowing that cylinder because the pump usually doesn't get enough fuel to that third cylinder. Here's the cool thing. Geez, you can't really see it anymore. Right in there, right there, is the fuel pump. It's the 3-output fuel pump, which is the upgrade. This is freaking awesome. I don't have to worry about it. This machine, it still has the oil pump, not oil pump, it still has the oil tank up here. It still has the oil tank, but it's all been disconnected. It's pre-mix only. So yeah, pre-mix everything and just mix it a smidge rich. I probably got her about 45 to 1, somewhere around there. So we should be good and safe and not have to worry about blowing it up, especially with that pump feeding all 3 cylinders, the exact same amount of fuel. Oh, this is just mint. All right, so we just finished taking a break. We had a little bit of fiberglass work I had to do underneath. I can see a little bit of the work I did. It was worn down a little bit, so rather than have any future problems, I figured I'd grind it down and fill it up with some matting and some fiberglass. So a few minutes, we're going to sand that up and give her a nice little spray paint, and we should be good for getting some numbers tomorrow and doing a test ride. She runs! Oh, really? This one, this is the first run right now. They deleted the oil, so you got to mix it, but it's got the three output pump on it already. I didn't have to do it. Fuck, did yours ride that low? There's no water in it. Oh, I guess gotta hold the gas down. Whatever, the thing he's pointed up a smidge, that's probably why. Okay, so what I can figure, the arsene's going down because the trim doesn't work. And the nozzle on the ass is up a smidge, so it's putting the front end up, which is making me bounce. And it's putting my arse end underwater. The trim on the back, it's up a smidge, so it's making the front end, it's making it want to jump all the time. Really sucks. And I can't. I'm gonna have to fuck with it on shore. And it's pushing the arse end down. Alright, so the first test, it could use a little bit of work. I have to figure out that trim. I think if the trim is figured out, that starter might, now that it's been running, because she hasn't been running. Well, okay, here's the problem. We were screwing with this thing for a while, trying to get it to start, and it just wouldn't start. So I think the starter was kind of dirty. But now that I had her running for a bit, hopefully she'll start easier next time. And the other thing is the trim on the back is pointed up a smidge. So it's pushing my arse end down, pushing my front end up, which is making it a real pain in the ass to move out there. So we're gonna bring her in. Good and dry. That's awesome. No water. That's something I like to see. We brought the girlfriend's machine home last night, and I'm trying to make some kind of a stand. You know, I'm gonna put those little things on it, and yeah, something I can slide it off so I can not leave my machine down at the dock. So let's yeah. I'll show you when I'm done. I hate working with wood. Give me metal, I'm great. Give me wood, I hate every second of it. Stand is made. Actually, it's surprising how easy that thing slid on there. Slid on there pretty easy. Alright, let's go get that thing out of there. And yeah, we got a lot to do today. We're gonna take that off. We're gonna move it over here. Gonna go get the new trailer across the road there. And we gotta load up the girlfriend's snowmobile. And we're picking up number 3. But number 3 has a different home. It's not coming here. It's going somewhere else.